I need the wiring diagram to connect Hager 225.
How old is the system in question? And have you consulted an electrician yet?
I am an electrician and need the wiring diagram for the telerupteur Hager 225.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just the connections for a push-button and lampe circuit for the Hager 225. Hager telerupteur escape 225. And still waiting.
Hello, I can help you. Please stand by while I research the Hager 225.
And waiting Hager ESC 225.
Okay, your coil control will be connected to terminals labeled A1 and A2. Your incoming power cables will connect to the two terminals on top. The power cables out to your load will connect off the two bottom terminals.
Can you send me a picture of the wiring diagram for the push button and lampe connections to the ESC 225 by email at?
No, but I can post one here. Is that what you are connecting? A lamp with a push button?
My relay doesn't stay in the closed postion with this configuration. I live in France. Did you get my response? Lampe with push button.
Here you are. Click the link to see the picture.
Merci, try this.
Hello, any luck?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.